Hi everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to create your very own cryptocurrency coin. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about digital currencies, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. Before we dive in, let's understand what a cryptocurrency coin is and the basics of blockchain technology. A cryptocurrency coin is a digital currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central authority. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. Each transaction is recorded in a block linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Setting up your environment is the first step in creating a cryptocurrency coin. You must gather the necessary tools, software, and programming languages. Essential tools include a coding IDE like Visual Studio Code, GitHub for version control, and Node.js for running JavaScript on the server side. Here's a brief overview of installing the necessary software. Node.js-. Visit the Node.js website, download the installer for your operating system, and follow the setup instructions. Truffle install Truffle, an Ethereum development framework, by running in your terminal. Ganache. Download and install Ganache from the Truffle Suite website to create a local blockchain for testing. MetaMask. Add the MetaMask browser extension and set up an Ethereum wallet. Next, you'll need to choose a blockchain platform. Several options are available, including Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Ethereum, known for its robust smart contracts and extensive developer community, but may have higher transaction fees. Binance Smart Chain offers faster transaction speeds and lower fees than Ethereum. When choosing the right platform for your project, consider factors such as transaction fees, speed, security, and community support. Now, let's design your coin. This involves naming it, determining its purpose, maximum supply, and initial distribution. Naming. Choose a unique and memorable name for your coin. Purpose. Define the coin's purpose, for example, a utility token or a governance token. Maximum supply. Decide on the total number of coins ever created. Initial distribution. Plan how you'll distribute the coins initially, whether through an ICO, airdrops, or other means. One of the critical steps in creating a cryptocurrency is writing smart contracts. These contracts will define your coin's functionalities. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They enable automated and secure transactions on the blockchain. Start writing a basic smart contract in Solidity, Ethereum's clever contract language. Then compile and deploy it using tools like Truffle and MetaMask. Your coin must be tested in a testnet environment before release. Use a testnet like Rinkeby or Ropsten to test your coin in a real blockchain environment without spending money. Testing helps ensure your coin works correctly and securely before going live. Deploy your coin to the mainnet once your testing is complete. Deploy your smart contract to the mainnet by configuring your Truffle project to use the mainnet and using MetaMask to manage deployment funds. Maintaining and updating your coin is vital after deployment. Regularly monitor the coin for issues, address bugs, and engage with the community for feedback. Implement new features and improvements based on user feedback and technological advancements. Lastly, discuss the legal and compliance aspects. Ensure compliance with local regulations, understand tax implications, and maintain transparent communication with users. Staying compliant helps avoid legal issues and builds user trust. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to create your very own cryptocurrency coin. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.